Welcome to Process Tech Hub, the channel that takes you inside the world's most insane factories. If you love seeing how everyday things are made at crazy levels of precision, you just found your new home. Today we're going deeper than anyone ever has, into the most advanced tomato chip factory on Earth. From a California sunrise to the reddest crunch in America, this is how Suncrisp turns a simple tomato into the snack that's about to take over every shelf. Let's roll.
Load integrity verified. Proceed to Bay 2.
Step 1. Zero blemish tolerance. Every single tomato is hand-checked. One bruise and it's gone.
Color check. Blemish out.
Seven ultrasonic washes strip away microscopic dirt you can't even see. Clean enough for a hospital.
Flow rate stable. Here, the centrifuge spins at 3,000 RPM, precisely separating the seeds from the pulp, ensuring the perfect crunch.
Seeds burn and ruin crunch, so we laser remove every single one in 0.3 seconds. This machine alone cost $2 million.
Defect clear. Grade A locked.
Precision slicing. Exactly 0.9 millimeters. 1 micron off and the entire crunch is gone.
This specialized enzyme bath is the secret to Suncrisp's unique texture.
Most
and
chips deep
vibrant
fry
color.
and turn brown.
Suncrisp
We vacuum
tomato
fry
chips.
at 120
From
degrees
California
under low
vine
pressure.
to America's
40% less
reddest
oil,
crunch.
and the red color stays locked forever.
Advanced pipeline systems ensure that every part of the tomato is utilized, with real-time data logging ensuring maximum efficiency. Inside our state-of-the-art facility, 6 parallel lines move the freshest California tomatoes through washing, slicing, and vacuum frying.
Regular chips lose 70% of their lycopene, the superfood antioxidant. Suncrisp keeps 94%. That's science you can actually taste.
Here in the vacuum chamber, our California tomatoes gently bubble in avocado oil, rapidly evaporating.
From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Three flavors, zero artificial junk, sea salt and cracked pepper, real California ranch, and a chili lime that hits different.
From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Pure nitrogen flush. No oxygen means they stay oven fresh for a full year.
Visual clear. Texture perfect.
$42 grams per bag, plus or minus 0.3 grams. Anything outside that range gets rejected instantly, perfection or nothing. Final checkpoint: X-ray, metal detector, robotic vision. If it's not 100% perfect, it never leaves.
Once sealed with our signature red tape, every case is stamped with a batch code for full traceability. Suncrisp tomato chips, from California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Every night, dozens of trucks roll out carrying the reddest crunch America has ever seen.
From California vine to America's reddest crunch. Seal 88241 locked. Shipment cleared.
Real tomato,
Suncrisp
real
tomato
science,
chips.
real flavor. This is
From
Suncrisp,
California
the chip that
vine
finally
to
made
America's
vegetables the
reddest
coolest snack on the
crunch.
planet.
From California vine to America's reddest crunch. From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Suncrisp tomato chips. From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Suncrisp tomato chips. From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
Suncrisp tomato chips. From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
We use state-of-the-art technology to bring you the freshest tomato chips, ensuring perfect quality from the field to the factory. Our state-of-the-art facility processes the Suncrisp tomatoes with unmatched efficiency.
Suncrisp tomato chips. From California vine to America's reddest crunch. Suncrisp tomato chips. From California vine to America's reddest crunch.
That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed going inside this insane factory, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite flavor, and hit subscribe right now. Because next week, we're going even deeper. See you in the next one.